everybody! So this is so exciting. We're back. My brother is here.
Hi guys, how's it going?
Yes, and we are here to take a look at another beauty box, men's beauty box. And this one is from Walmart.
Walmart.
It's also $7 because we did the Target one. And so you want to check out that video. And
this is the box it comes in.
This is the box it comes in.
Interesting.
So that's the big advantage of this one,
Yeah.
is that it's a very nice case.
Well, that could be a $7 case by itself.
Yeah, for sure. So let's see what you get from Walmart for $7. And this, like, normally the Walmart beauty box is a subscription service, but not in the case of the men's box. But it's still a great deal for the women's box. It's like $5. You're just basically paying for shipping.
Right.
That's it. So it's basically free. So here we go. Let's see what we got. All right. First thing, we have Act mouthwash. That's pretty useful.
Yeah, useful. Pretty small, but lasts you maybe a week.
Yeah. Ooh, this is nice.
There you go. You got a 3-blade razor. This is fits Gillette handles.
Yeah.
So it's just a blade? No, they got a handle too. Handle and blades.
Yeah.
So, not sure of the quality, but I mean, these are usually pretty expensive, so that's a good deal.
And anybody can use that.
Right.
So then there's this. This is a Body Benefits for Image for Him 2x2 face brush. So it says here.
Exfoliation.
Yeah. Dual action bristles.
Wow.
Contoured bristle head. Non-slip grip. And ergonomic handle. So this is like a car here. I mean, this is technology.
So you can take it to wax your car. And then give yourself a
There's
facial.
even this whole thing.
And yeah.
All about it.
15-step process for exfoliation. Interesting. It doesn't feel cheap.
Yeah.
It feels nice.
Yeah.
But again, like, oh, it's man hand approved, everyone. Did you see that? Man hand approved.
That's funny.
XL. So thank goodness.
So there's no coupon in this one like there's in the Target one, but then there's just 2 full packets, Selsun Blue dandruff shampoo, and a little tiny packet of Gold Bond lotion.
Face lotion.
So those are pretty much worthless.
Yeah,
there's a nice lining to this bag too, which is nice. So it's a really good bag. So there you go. So that's this one. There's $7, and you get the packets, but you get the face brush, the razor, and the mouthwash. So what do you think?
Well, I think if you need kind of a travel bag, then this is a good option. I think if you aren't really in the market for something like that, or a toiletry bag, that I think the Target one may honestly be better. Especially when it comes to razors. I know people are pretty particular.
Oh, okay.
Like quality. But yeah, I'd say that, it'd probably be worth it monetarily if you're looking for the right things. If you don't have a razor and you want a bag.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this one seems more utilitarian, more like useful, as opposed to like this. The Target one is more like
beauty centric.
Yeah, with like colognes and stuff like that. Whereas this is more like really pretty. Everything here is pretty functional.
Right.
So that's nice at least. I mean, I don't know how much men really care about exfoliating, but maybe they do.
Yeah, I don't know.
So, but there you go. So that is the Walmart bag. And let us know what you think. And I'll put a link to the video on the Target bag box, and so you can compare it and let us know what you think is the best deal for $7. So there you go. That is it. And thanks so much.
No problem.
Coming to help me. I appreciate it. And please subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to y'all later.
Yep, see ya.
Bye.